No, guys. You know watch this bumbo clot now. I said me know say wickedness can't done you know. You know look upon them bag of dog youth. Where them a blood clot Chinese people as I say. Check out them bag of dog you pa. And them same dog you end up in a restaurant in a youth. And them same dog you end up in a bumbo clot beef patty in a bridging. And them same dog you end up in a beef you look upon them a fuck here. What them a give people for blood clot eat? Eh? Eat where your stomach can't fucking take a one virgin, but you can't give people things what you're not sure if them want or know if them want. And them a fuck here go on pa. Because the man them don't want to spend no money to buy the right stuff them to sell back people, bro. You understand? So them prefer now to pay off some man and now to grown and kill the dog them, bro. Take away the dog them and kill the dog them and give the man them. Look what the man them a sell bumbo clot people. Eh? One bag of dog, daddy. Them a no look good a blood clot. This no look fucking good. You understand? All them fuckery needs to stop. You see me? Food war, the man them have and no wanna go on with it now. So the man them a do all these wicked things to people. System pa. Church of God to blood clot. You don't really look on this pa. That's why I'm telling you say cook on a blood clot yard. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. I'm out.